Welcome back, my friends. We're continuing our story, our playthrough of Heavy Rain. So when we last left off, Ethan was celebrating his son Jason's birthday. Unfortunately, Jason was hit by a car, and so yeah, now Ethan lives alone. He's got his son with him, Sean. Okay, so it's 5:30, so he's got a little bit of time. Got half an hour before he has to get started some work. Let's go explore the house a little bit. Oh, bless you. The Origami Killer strikes again. What a downgrade, though, unfortunately. Like, this is the bathroom. I guess Ethan doesn't have to go to the bathroom right now. You can pick up your garbage, kid. At least you could do.
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
Probably upstairs in the bathroom. If there is an upstairs bathroom, I would assume there is. Hate these controls. Sean's room. Pretty nice room. Yeah, that's unfortunate. So I mistitled my last video. I keep messing up. 6:30 already? I'll go downstairs, I guess. Get some homework done, kiddo. Time is it? Yeah, 6:30. Holy crap. Took me an hour to find that medicine.
Sean hasn't done his homework yet.
Well, then maybe you should get it done.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Thanks, Dad.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
Time sure passes fast. Let's turn that off. Dinner at 7. What are we doing for dinner? Not letting me sit. No, I don't know what. It's irritating. Okay, how about you?
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
So how do I cook dinner? This is irritating.
Come to think of it, if he's not asking for anything, it must be because he's not hungry. It's dinner time. I'd better make something for Sean.
Yeah, you should. I can figure out how. Oh, this is pissing me off. Not giving me the option of making him food.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready.
Oh my god, this is seriously pissing me off. Close the fucking door! I don't know why it's not letting me do it. Fuck, that's irritating. That was a short 20 seconds.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming!
Oh, there we go. You have something to eat. Turn this off. Talk to him. Really? Someone who said he was really hungry. It's bedtime.
It's Sean's bedtime.
Okay, how about you?
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
That's the third time I've turned that thing off today. Oops, sorry, kid.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
I'm not going to say no to that. What kind of monster do you think I am?
Thanks, Dad.
No problem.
Good night, Sean.
Night. Dad,
Yeah?
why do you look so sad?
I think I just need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
He fell asleep fast. Real change. Drones having nightmares, obviously. Excuse me. Who's this? Like any good Quantum Dream game, you control multiple characters. Out of the rain.
Guess I better take the stairs.
Oops. Keep doing that.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does.
Been looking for weeks. Hope I hit pay dirt this time.
Oh, that Lauren Winter. 3rd floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
Thank you.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Wait.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Put your money on the table. You got
I'm gonna have to
exactly
play my
10
cards
minutes
right
when
if
the
I'm gonna
alarm
squeeze
rings
anything
gets
out of her.
Okay?
Yeah, she keeps the place pretty ship-shape. I've seen whores that didn't give a damn about their living conditions. Nice looking girl, but too young to be the sort of girl you find holed up in a dive like this. Hey, she thinks I'm a client.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What do you want, a freebie? Is that it?
What would the freebie?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a
50
private
bucks on the
detective.
table.
The families of the victims of the Origami Killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
Right hand goes through. Again, I have zero mobility. This.
Are you deaf? I have nothing to say to you. Get out of here.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
What do you want to know?
Tell me about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me you know. In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
Tell me about Johnny's father.
A loser without a job who liked to beat me after a few drinks. He left the day Johnny disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward. Good thing he left.
How did your son disappear?
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it. All his friends came home around 5. All except him.
When did you sound the alarm?
About 8 o'clock. I began to get worried. I went all around the neighborhood. I went to the wasteland where they like to play. I went to see his friends. I called the cops about 10 o'clock. Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
Cannot imagine.
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call.
Someone says metal.
Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
That's not good. Oh, come on.
Oh! Oh!
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser! You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Oh! Yeah!
Troy, no! Troy, stop or I call the cops! Troy, I will call the cops!
Shit.
Troy, no!
Fuck.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Oof.
Are you all right?
Better than him, I
PG.
guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent, and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
Well, you should be careful. He'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh.
Ow. How am I supposed to do SWD? D, I guess. Kind of a weird combo. Get the shakes. It's not good.
God, my hands are trembling. I gotta keep my act together. At least for now. Noted that name somewhere. What was it? Blake. Lieutenant Carter Blake. Yeah, that's it. Reporters. Already. Huh. They seem well informed. Goddamn rain. Hasn't stopped pouring since I arrived. I'm really gonna love it here.
Aren't you though?
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jayden, FBI?
You got a badge or something, Mr. Jayden?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Check. You can pass.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks.
Okay. I wear my sunglasses at night.
Video memo recording, Agent 47023, Norman Jayden, Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. Time is 8:14 a.m. Unrelated to the investigation. I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake. Thanks.
Looking for clues. It's cool back there. Any ring for investigating?
Harry, comment, sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland. Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jayden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me you'd be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, will you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here.
Right away, Lieutenant.
Well, are you coming, Jayden?
Not even breathing hard.
So, what happened?
Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now. Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the Origami Killer.
Has the body been identified?
No, not yet. We should know more later today. Any news on the coroner?
He's on his way, Lieutenant.
We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Has the time of death been established?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look.
There are a lot of people on the crime scene. Aren't you afraid your men might destroy some clues?
You don't find proof sitting behind a desk. And we're not in the habit of trampling things into the ground, even if we're not in the FBI.
No, of course not. That's not what I meant.
Tony, I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Listen, you look busy. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Be my guest. Hey, Jayden, you come and see me if you find anything, okay? We're on the same team now.
What was that?
Harry, comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland. Pretty chilly, huh? When did they find the body?
Excuse me, but who are you exactly?
Norman Jayden, FBI.
If you want to ask questions, you should speak to Lieutenant Blake, sir.
Is that a coffee you're drinking there?
There's some in the thermos behind you. Help yourself.
Lousy weather, huh? Does it always rain like this?
It rains every fall. Doesn't it do that where you come from?
Well, yeah. Yeah, of course.
Why do you guys have to be such a dick? Bottle. There's one there.
Airy comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland. Harry, comment. The victim is lying on his back. No visible signs of violence. Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion. A small origami figure in the right hand. Fingers were probably closed after the time of death. The victim is Jeremy Bowles, declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file. An orchid was placed on the victim's chest. His face is covered with mud, like the other victims.
Over there.
A dead cat. The FBI doesn't keep files on dead cats. Not yet.
That's interesting.
Harry, comment. Orchid pollen detected. Probably from the flower left on the body. Harry, comment. The pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail. Harry, comment. Traces of blood on the railroad track. Analysis confirms it comes from the victim. The footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers. Harry, comment. There are traces of blood on the fence behind the railroad line. It comes from the victim. The killer came this way with the body and probably grazed it on his way through the fence.
I had this up. You look real muddy.
There's a good chance that they're the killers. Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Think I've seen all there is to see.
Up yours. Okay. So I guess the killer stopped on the side of the road here, took him down. And what's up? There we go. Alright, where's Blue? Right there.
I'm heading back to the office. You staying?
No, I've seen enough. I'm leaving too.
You can change your clothes, maybe a shower. I've unlocked a new bonus. Cool. Flutterby.
A butterfly.
Fox.
A fox.
Gotta love Rorschach. A crab.
A crab. Death. Death.
Looks like 2 Reapers to me. Anxiety, yeah. Imagine he's a little anxious.
I have the results of your MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal. There is no physical damage from the accident. However, I am worried about your psychological condition. I know it's not easy, but you've got to start over, Ethan. You're not responsible for what happened.
You say so.
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
It was an accident. Accidents happen every day. You can't blame yourself forever for your son's death.
Obviously, you're not a parent.
How is Sean?
I think he resents the fact that I can't live up to his expectations. I seem incapable of making his mother and him happy.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
I no longer want to live. I have no reason to continue.
Not even for your son, Sean.
I couldn't save Jason. Sean doesn't need a father like me.
Is there something else you wanted to tell me, Ethan?
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times when I don't know what I'm doing. I recover consciousness sometime later, but I'm someplace else. And I have no idea how I got there. Do you think this could be related to the accident?
You suffered a massive concussion and were in a coma for 6 months. We really don't know what effect a shock like that can have on the brain. That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week. You were lucky, Ethan. It's very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
I don't exactly feel lucky, Doctor.
Yeah. Survivor's guilt at its finest.
Do you want to eat something? Is something the matter, Sean?
No, I'm all right.
Also, he probably just wants his dad back.
How did things go at school today?
The teacher yelled at me for being late again. She's gonna send me home the next time it happens.
I'm sorry about that, Sean. Next time, we'll really pull it together, okay? Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I don't feel like it.
Okay, I'm actually going to end it here. Yeah. So we've met all three characters now. We've met Shelby, Scott Shelby, and we met Jayden from the FBI, as well as Ethan. Ethan's got a lot going on. I could not imagine what he's going through. So I hope you enjoyed. And as always, until next time, my friends, thank you for watching.